Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create easily beautiful colorful papers for your printmaking projects as a Chine Colle paper or for your mixed media projects as a collage paper. So all you need is mulberry paper or any other thin paper, watercolors, a bottle with water, spray bottle, and some brushes of course, and surface like plexiglass or a glass. So you can see I'm spraying the paper with the water and I will start applying paints. I really like those bold, vibrant colors. I will be using this beautiful golden Aussie yellow by Daniel Smith and ultramarine and teal by Core. I will put links to all my favorite paints in the description, and I will be just playing. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Marta Nowicka. I'm a visual artist, Polish visual artist based in the US. I am painter, printmaker. I also create digitally, and on my channel I share my art process. I also have an art books review. I have a playlist regarding the mixed media art, printmaking tutorials, and book reviews. I will put links to these in the description and also at the end of the video. Also, if you like to see how I'm using these papers in a printmaking as a Chine Collé, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. I will be showing in the future videos how I used papers I created in this session in my printmaking. So as you can see, I'm just applying paints. I will leave you with the music so you can observe the process. And here you can see I had some paint left on the plexiglass, so I used another paper and printed the remaining paints on it, and I'm adding more water and more paint. I also will be adding some black India ink to see what will happen then. And you will see in a moment when I spray it, it will beautifully spread on the paper. Yeah, here I'm drying my papers with a hairdryer. Ideally, you would leave it to dry naturally, but I'm too impatient, so I use a hairdryer to dry it. Another paper, I will experiment with a bit different colors, probably. I just love this gold color. It's so beautiful. And I'm adding more red. It's also such a relaxing process. You can just, play without worrying. If you create a masterpiece, you are just playing and applying paints. It's really fun. And right now, because it's wet, it's very vibrant, but when it dries, it will be less saturated, although you will see there will be two sides of the paper. One will be more colorful, more saturated, the other one will be more pale, more muted. And now I'm adding drops of gold ink that will create a beautiful effect on the surface of the paper. I will also put link to that ink in the description. It's heavily pigmented, so you need to spread it on the paper unless you want to have like a heavy blob of a gold paint. And because the paper was soaked and really like saturated with water and colors, I just put another piece of paper on top of that and basically printed what was on the bottom paper. So I got another paper ready. Still a lot of colors and water, so I use different kind of paper. It's also a very thin Chinese paper or maybe Japanese paper. I wanted to try and test this one, see how it will work. So you can see this paper doesn't have those like veins of fibers. Sorry, I forgot the word fibers. So it's more smooth and it creates a little bit different pattern, which also will look nice as a Chine Colle. And again, I'm drying my papers with a hairdryer. And now I will try to do something more in blues. So I'm adding different shades of blue. Blue, turquoise, aqua colors. Again, just playing. Again, adding more spark and gold ink. Again, transferring some of that colors to a different paper, just to get another paper I could use in my project. And here are the papers after drying. So as you can see, each paper has like more saturated and less saturated sides, so you can use both sides depending on your preference. I'm quite happy with the results, especially with the papers with gold accents, especially the blue one. So yeah, let me know how do you enjoy that. Please subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to watch my other videos from my playlist, and let me know which paper do you like most. And see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.